Winter weather is sneaking up on us yet again here in New York State, and whether we like it or not, soon we will find ourselves occasionally having to drive in wintry conditions. That's why it's important to prepare for driving through inclement weather by checking up on your tires. Are your tires ready for winter? Here are a few factors to consider. Number 1. Tire traction. The Northeast has a reputation for being prone to extreme cold and snow during the winter season. For this reason, New Yorkers may be wise to purchase a set of snow tires, which are designed to withstand extreme cold and fare better in snowy conditions, as they generally offer better traction. You may consider purchasing a set of snow tires for your vehicle. Number 2. Tire tread. As your vehicle racks up miles, your odometer reading may be in the back of your mind, but you might not be thinking about the effect those miles have on your tires as well. As tires see usage over time, their tread begins to wear down. Tires with inadequate tread can be dangerous to drive on, even in fair weather. To see if your tires have sufficient tread, try the penny test. Insert a penny, with President Lincoln's head pointing down, in between the raised portions of your tire's tread. If you can see the top of Honest Abe's head, your tread is shallow and it may be time to get new tires. Also, keep an eye out for any cuts, punctures, bulges, scrapes, cracks, or bumps you may see on the tire. These can be signs that your tires are in poor condition and must be replaced. Number 3. Tire age. Consider the age of your tires. Some vehicle manufacturers recommend replacing tires every 6 years, regardless of use. Number 4. Tire inflation. When temperatures drop, often so does the air pressure in your tires. While your tires may have been properly inflated back in the summer, they may not be now. This can affect your car's maneuverability and traction. While underinflated tires can be an issue, it's not wise to overinflate your tires either. The recommended PSI for tires can vary depending on the vehicle, tire size, and load requirements. You may be able to find the recommended tire pressure for your vehicle in your owner's manual or on a label located on the driver's side door frame.